Hi, welcome to this video. And if you clicked this video, is because you saw the thumbnail that you can make money by just watching YouTube videos. Yes, the amount of content creators out there that are willingly to pay people to watch their videos, they are a lot. And as you know that YouTube is a very competitive platform, getting these views can be kind of difficult. But I have three websites that I'm going to link you to that people are using to make money by just watching these videos. What you have to do is follow very simple instructions, and then you're going to be able to earn money. Guys, remember, this is not a get quick rich scheme. This requires hard work and patience. So just be ready to see what I have, and if you like it, then that is well and good. So stay tuned.
How you can contribute to adding your views, and as you can see on YouTube that there are so many videos that they do not have views, and these people, they'll be paying certain websites so that when you watch they can pay you to generate views for them. And I don't know if you've ever seen a video that was posted like 1 hour or even one day and has millions of views, and you wondered how would people watch that, like what is that they're watching, what kind of content is that they like. But then I realized that these content creators, they pay people so that they can watch their videos and they can get views. And I think it's a great business of encouraging people, because you do know that with YouTube that it's so hard, like being able to get people to watch your work. Even if it's so nice, it's so hard sometimes to get people to watch your work. But they're paying. When you pay people to watch you, they can get a small percentage of your work, of money income, and then they can help you get views. And you can see like how much money I make as a small YouTuber. You can see that with it's a lot with being a small YouTuber and it growing all of that. And I'll show you, this is one website that is called timebucks.com. Timebucks.com is a website that is going to help you earn money when you watch videos. And as you can see, they have tasks, and when you complete, you can see these are people from users from different countries that they are watching, and they're getting money. And you can see the amount of money that they're watching. This depends on how much money, how much time you have on your hands to watch these things and these videos. And as you can see, they're going to pay you. As you can see, this is a I opened this website yesterday. As you can see, I have bonus, but I've not actually started to earn money because I have not completed. And they're saying I have a reward for this at the daily goals, but I do have a reward for when I complete my account. They do pay you. They pay you for everything. And there are people. I've told you it's a legit business. That if I would pay this website to advertise my videos so that you can make a small commission of money when you watch my videos, and you come to earn, you can see that. Let's see what it does. So this is a survey. As you can see, this is 10 bucks, and you can see the rate and the length. As you can see, these are users, Indians. You can see this is a map of India, and these are people who have been paid. And this is, you can see, 27 minutes ago. The latest one was 25 minutes ago. And they're saying that I will earn this amount of money for completing my profile. This is good money when you do it over and over. It's really good money, so do not ignore it. If you want to make money, you just have to do it. Advertise. And this is when I was saying that you can bring a campaign of advertisement and people can watch your videos. This is what I was talking about. Like, it's legit a good business. So there's another one that is called Xcard, and Xcard, you watch to earn. It's a revolution that pioneers the watch to earn for 2.1 billion active YouTube users, enabling fans to earn creators token rewards for watching their favorite content directly on YouTube. So this is a good one for advertising your work and also getting a small commission pay for watching these videos. And you get to help content creators, because I'm sure you do know with content creation it does require a lot of work to post this work. You can spend so much work putting on a video that is helpful, but nobody's going to watch it, and the shock that you get, the feeling that you get is so bad that, but thank goodness for such website that they do help you advertise your work, and so that people can watch and you can see and content creators token by watching YouTube. It is a plugin that you watch, that when you watch it's going to direct you to a certain link that when you watch it it's going to be credited. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions given below so that you are able to earn money. Don't do this just for the sake of doing. And remember, people are willingly to pay you money to watch. So all you have to do is like dedicate your time to watching. You can even mute the video that you're watching, just as long as if you don't want to listen to what they are saying, you could mute it, and but at the end of the time you watch, they're going to like credit you money for that watching. And you can see watch to earn revolution. We have seen a play to earn, and the more to earn achieve a mainstream adoption. So it brings content creators and fans close together. So this you can also discover something that you like out of these creators. And honestly, I believe it's something good. It's not a shortcut. It's something that requires a lot of work to be put in. And honestly, if you get to the place that you want to earn money, remember, you can see all these people, they have a lot of views, and you wonder how they do it. They are getting help from you watching. As you can see this is what it has issued. You're going to be paid to earn like this. These are tokens, and these tokens you can convert them into real money. You have, if you're a creator or if your person wants to earn money, this place is for you. And let's see the products that they have. You can see influence and the projects and the creators. So YouTube is an extremely popular platform. More and more people want to make YouTube a career, and you can see there are a lot of people with channels. So look at the creators involved. These your favorite creators, and they're making money. So the benefit is additional layer of monetization via fans token and log adding fun. Honestly, I'm going to use this one so that I can advertise my work, and yeah, you can try it to earn money. And this is $10. You can try it too. And this shrink me. So shrink me is you earn money. Highest paying URL shortener joiner and earn up to $220. So how do you start? You create an account, you shorten your link, and you earn money. Look, this is legit so amazing. So if you get time, check out these things website, and you can tell me how they work out for you. If they do not work out for you, you can, if you don't like them, you can say if you don't like them. But remember, earning money is you helping these creators, and these creators are helping you earn small token of money. Yeah, so thank you for that, and I hope this works in your favor, and I'm wishing you the best and the very, very best with anything and everything that you do. Remember that we're in this together, and if I find something else that is helpful, I'm going to put it and bring it your way. Thank you.